Hello, sweet tooths. You won't believe how easy it is to enjoy a little treat at home. And with a tub of cheese, we can prepare an amazing mini cheesecake with very few ingredients and suitable for beginners. But the best part of all is that it's delicious. We start with a full tub of cream cheese or spreadable cheese. Yes, the typical edge of the generic brand crash. What we do is give a little cut to each corner of the jar, so when you open it a bit from the top, it comes out whole. As easy as that, we also add 3 egg yolks. Right there on top, no complications, today is ultra easy. A spoonful of cornstarch, also called starch or corn flour, and sweetener to taste. I put a good spoonful of sugar in it, but as I said, you could do it with another sweetener and there you have it, sugar-free. You whisk it quickly with a fork until you get a smooth and creamy texture, which, well, takes you just under a minute. And when you have it like that, you already have the cheesecake prepared. Use a microwave-safe container and fill it with it. If you want to add some caramel for grace, apply it the way I do. But don't overdo it, just the right amount to coat the mold. As you can see, I'm using the typical glass or crystal Tupperware suitable for microwave. Are there people who use the actual container in which the cheese comes? Well, yes, from my point of view, it's a bit dangerous, because it's still plastic, and heat and plastic don't get along at all. And that's it, we release the cream inside and it's ready to cook. Am I going to do it in the microwave? If you want to do it in the oven, then you would need another container. Well, the matter is quite simple. We go to the microwave that I have over here. At maximum power for 3 to 5 minutes depending on how you want it, liquid or soft. In the middle, as always, I give you options if you leave it up to you. If you like the typical almost liquid cheesecake, leave it for just 3 minutes. I give it this little touch because it just sets from the heat it has inside. Once it's lukewarm, you set it aside in the fridge or refrigerator until you want to enjoy it. So dessert is ready for when the craving hits. Look, mine has already arrived, so I'm going with it. If you want to ensure perfect unmolding, give it a little shake around the edges with a pastry spatula. Then, you just have to place it on the plate where you want to present it and give it a sharp movement. It will fall onto the plate and voila, cheesecake ready. I'm a fan of caramel and I add a little more to make it even more delicious. But you could decorate it with jam, with honey, with fruit, with whatever you want. Ultra easy cheesecake in just 2 minutes. Look, what a piece of look, my goodness. A super cheesecake if you want it softer, with a little less cooking, if you want it harder, with a little more, but always delicious. We watch the spoons falling, one and another and another. I read your mind. You want a small treat? Well, this could be a great idea, but since we're here sharing details, tell me 2 little things. When you feel like having a little treat, what recipe do you grab, or what little trick do you do to satisfy it? On the other hand, where are you watching the video from? That way we travel the world through delicious things. Also, I leave you a list with ingredients to make it even easier for you because you can take note and prepare it at home. And if you want more, YouTube tells me that the video that comes out here, right in this box, you're going to love it. Click on it and enjoy it too.